In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase limit in Sendwave. If you've reached a low transfer cap, the quickest way to raise it is to complete verification in the app, then confirm your payment method. I'll guide you through each screen so you know exactly what to expect and how to avoid common mistakes. Start by opening your Sendwave app and logging into your account. Once you're in, tap the menu icon or your profile picture to open your account options. Then choose Verify Account. You'll be asked for your full legal name and date of birth. Enter them exactly as they appear on your identification document. Matching details help your verification pass on the first try. You'll also select the purpose of your account, such as personal use, and then tap Finish. When prompted, tap Continue to move forward. Next, select your country. This should match the country that issued the ID you plan to use. Choose the type of document you'll provide, like a passport, driver's license, or national ID, depending on what's available where you live. Tap Continue, and then continue again to allow camera access if asked. When you're ready, tap Start to begin the capture process. Hold your document in good, even lighting with no glare and all four corners visible. Place it against a plain background, keep your hand steady, and make sure all text is sharp and readable. If the app asks for both front and back, capture each side carefully. When the image looks clear, tap Submit Photo to upload it. You'll then complete a quick face verification. Tap Start Recording to begin the liveness check, then tap Start and follow the on-screen prompts. Keep your face centered, remove hats or glasses if requested, and wait until the recording completes. The app will let you know when it's done. If prompted, add and confirm a payment method under Payment Methods. You can use a debit or credit card or link a bank account. Make sure the name on the payment method matches your verified name to prevent delays. After your verification is processed, open My Limits to confirm your higher daily send limit. This can update quickly, but in some cases, it may take a little time. If your limit still looks low, go to Help or Support in the app and use the chat or email support to request a manual review. Be ready to provide any additional documents they might ask for to confirm your identity or address. That's it. With these steps, you'll complete verification smoothly and unlock higher limits for your transfers.